The first flavors of fall, sweet potato tempura. This time, Take harvested sweet potatoes. He will make tempura with sweet potato and other vegetables from his garden. He harvests the first sweet potatoes of the year from the garden. Please click the link in the description to see the sweet potato harvest. Harvesting Shiso Perilla leaves and fruit. Harvesting okra. Harvesting the last eggplant of this year. He usually gets a lot of eggplants, but this year, he only got 2. Making the batter for tempura. 1 egg, 100 milliliters water, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 100 grams flour, cut the sweet potato into rounds. Cut lotus root into slices. Cut the eggplant into slices. Cut off the ends of the shishito and okura. Prepare the shrimp. Peel the shrimp. Leave the tails on. Remove the tip, as it is tough. Remove the belly and cut the muscle. For the tempura, coat the sweet potatoes with a thin layer of flour. Dip the sweet potatoes in the tempura batter and fry. For the perilla leaves, coat the underside of the leaves with the batter. Fry at about 160 degrees for about 5 minutes. Fry the other ingredients. The tempura is ready. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. Eat it with salt this time.
Thank you very much for your watching.